Round 1. The Waddle Walk. Who wobbles into your heart first?
Round 2. The Shock. Look at those gigantic, innocent eyes.
Round 3. Belly Power. Tummy time versus ice sliding. Who flexed harder? Round 4. Heart Melters. Warning, extreme cuddle overload ahead.
Round 5. The Pout. Even when they are grumpy, you just cannot say no.
The final verdict? It's a tie! Drop a baby for baby Diyan or a penguin for Pippo in the comments. Subscribe for more cuteness!
Knowledge creates opportunities, and opportunities create success. Subscribe to Finax Ram, where AI meets the future of investing.